I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
In the 1960s, 1964 International Emeryville was the cabover truck that you saw most of. They are called Emeryvilles because they were made in Emeryville, California. It was a well-priced and well-made truck. It's an assembled truck with a Cummins engine and a Fuller transmission. There were a lot of these on the road into the 1970s. It does have a sleeper cab, still small though. Truck designers weren't worried about providing drivers with a palace to sleep in, and they did not want the weight. Weight is very important in a truck. Early sleepers were 21 to 22 inches wide. An average man is 18 to 19 inches from shoulder to shoulder. Big men can be 24 to 25 inches from side to side. A lot of men would have been sleeping with their shoulders scrunched together, or at least with no room for their arms to rest on the side of their bodies. So they slept with their arms crossed, making it a lot like a coffin. Sleeper sizes have grown to keep up with the size of truckers. Now they're 36 to 48 inches wide, and in some cases wide enough for a double bed. In the early years, there wasn't much thought about comfort.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button